Hello there, this is Anurag from ORB Academy. 14 January is supposed to be a start of new things. Many of you had contacted me asking me that it was quite difficult to screen the stocks, how to know where the ICMC trigger is happening, how to know where the tiny IC trigger is happening. So today I present in front of you a new indicator which is a part of our TinyBeast package. So we'll add a new indicator today. Fresh from the oven. A new indicator will be added today. It's called the ORB Trading View Screener. Okay. So what does this screener do? The screener actually accesses a list of stocks, and then it finds out and gives you signals as to where the ICMC breakout is happening. So you don't have to flip through 40 charts or 100 charts. You can just apply this indicator on one of your charts and it will do the work in the background and then give you on periodic basis, it will give you the breakouts happening on the particular time frame. So suppose if I'm here on the 15 minutes time frame, it is showing me here the 15 minutes time frame, which are the stocks where the breakout is happening on the 15 minutes time frame. So let's check this. It has given us the first option of Adani Ports. So we go to Adani and we check Adani. And there you see there's a ICMC cell which has got generated here. So the first was correct. Then it gave a call for Axis Bank. Let us have a look at Axis Bank. And there you see Axis Bank. This signal is also correct. We got a ICMC buy here for Axis Bank. Similarly, it has given one for Dr. Reddy. Let's have a look at Dr. Reddy. And there you see there's ICMC happening at Dr. Reddy also. So similarly, I suppose if I want to see the 1 hour time frame, I'll go to 1 hour time frame. And I want to see what's happening in the 1 hour time frame. So the indicator will start processing the data in the background. So you see this, the on a 1 hour time frame, we see that there's a ICMC happening in Bank Nifty and Grasim. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at Grasim. This is the 1 hour chart of Grasim, and there you see there's ICMC which is just taking place. And similarly, it says for Bank Nifty also it is happening. So let's also check for Bank Nifty. Okay, we have Bank Nifty here now. Let's check for Bank Nifty. And there you see there's ICMC buy which is happening for Bank Nifty. So this works across all time frames. It will work across all the time frames available, and within the stock list which is given, if there's ICMC breakout happening, it will show you live on the screen itself. That means it actually shows you right here, and then you can accordingly go to that particular chart, and you can act on that particular chart. So on the daily time frame, it is showing that HCL and HUL are having a ICMC breakout. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at HCL. There HCL, and there you see there is ICMC trigger which has happened in HCL. Unilever, let's have a look at Hindustan Unilever. And there we see there's ICMC buy which has got triggered here. So the screener seems to be working well. Now let's have a look at the setup of the screener. So we see that on the setup I have defined the 40 names of the stocks which I have put here. So what happens if I want to monitor more than 40 stocks? It is very simple. You can load two instances of the same indicator. So if I load this indicator again, one more instance of the indicator, and I define an additional list, automatically I'll be able to scan 80 stocks. So you can choose the best 40 stocks for yourself in which you frequently trade, and maybe apply that for the beginning, and slowly, if you have a powerful machine, then of course you can apply the same indicator twice and have up to 80 stocks at one go. 80 stocks at one go. Another good news is that this indicator will be given to all the free trial people. All of you who have applied for the free trial, you will get this as an upgrade by evening tonight, and you'll be able to use this free trial for during the free trial period and assess and send us feedbacks for this particular screener. So thank you once again. Thank you for your suggestions, and we keep continuously working on them, and uh, we are in fact enjoying the development of this particular trading view protocol. Thank you very much.